Hello everyone. I welcome you all to the academic session of 2020-21. The book which we are following this year is Integrated Social Science. This book is published by Ratna Sagar. It consists of three divisions of social science, that is history, geography, social and political life. These are some important instructions for all of you. Keep a notebook and a pen with you. Note down the important points. Pause the video and replay it whenever you miss something or in case of any doubt. Complete all the tasks given to you on time. Do the exercises given after each topic in a notebook. In this module, we will begin with the first chapter of social and political life. The name of the chapter is "The Constitution and Need for Laws". By the end of this lesson, you would be able to explain what is a constitution, understand the importance of a constitution in a democratic country, and explain the features of Indian constitution. Look at this picture displayed on your screen. It is a picture of a cricket match. As you can see here, the bowler has taken the wicket of the batsman, and according to the rules of the cricket, the umpire has given a run out. Similarly, in a football match, the player should not touch the ball with his hand. Thus, we can conclude that in every game we have certain rules, and these rules define the games and help us to distinguish one game from another. Players have to abide by these rules if they want to play a healthy and a fair game. Now, an important question which arises here is, do we have such rules in our society? Yes, like these games, the society also has to follow certain rules that make it what it is and differentiate it from other kind of societies. No civilized society can work effectively without rules and regulations. A society can lead a peaceful life when all its members follow certain rules. In large societies where different communities of people live together, rules are formulated through consensus. A consensus is an agreement among a group of people. In modern countries, this consensus is usually available in a written form. A written document in which we find such rules is called a constitution. Thus, we can say that constitution is an important document laying down the fundamental principles of a country. The country is governed by these principles. Laws are also formulated according to the rules laid down in a constitution, and thus the constitution is also regarded as the fundamental law of a country. Where do we find the laws that govern our country? Yes, the answer is the Indian Constitution. The Indian Constitution was prepared by the Constituent Assembly. The work of Constituent Assembly was done under the chairmanship of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is also regarded as the father of Indian Constitution. It took almost 3 years to complete this document. This document came into effect on 26th of January 1950, which is now celebrated as the Republic Day of India. Let us discuss the importance of Indian Constitution. It is a legal document which contains basic laws that defines the powers and functions of the government. It contains valuable information about the structure, organs, duties, and responsibilities of the government. It is on the basis of these provisions the governance of a country is carried out. It is the supreme law of the land, as every government has to function according to the laws laid down in the Constitution. It describes in detail the different organs of the government: the legislative, the executive, and the judiciary. It also specifies how each organ of the government is composed and mentions the functions that it must perform. At the same time, it protects people from any injustice of the state by imposing certain limitations on the powers of the government. So, it performs dual functions of regulating government as well as safeguarding the rights of the citizens. As I have mentioned, that it contains the rights and duties of the citizens. Our constitution gives rights to every citizen irrespective of religion, caste, gender, and place of birth. The rights guaranteed by the Constitution ensure that leaders don't misuse their power. Hence, the Constitution also prevents the misuse of power by the organs of the government. It protects the rights of the minorities in a democratic country and also guarantees fundamental rights to the Indian citizens. It provides six fundamental rights to the citizens of India. Thus, we can say that constitution is an essential part of a democracy. Now, to check your progress, answer the following questions. Write the answers of all the four parts in your notebook. You can pause the video and write answers. This is your homework for today. Write answers of the following questions. What is a constitution? Why do we need to have a constitution? List five reasons why our constitution is important. Why do you think there was no constitution in early times? That's it for today. Thank you, everyone.